In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to add animations to our React Native app. What if you want to change this credit card or this card with some good animations? It's easy to do. You just need to install this library. So let's just search for React Native Lottie Expo and select this first option. First, we're gonna need to install this library. So let's copy this command and go to our code editor and paste it here to install this library. npx expo install lottie-react-native. Now let's search for Lottie. And let's select this free animations. Now let's search for bank card or something. And select any one of those beautiful animations. Let's try to select. What about this? You have to know that some animations are premium animations. So let's select one not premium. Let's try to select this. And let's try to make changes to the color. For example, let's try to select this pattern here. And now let's save it to download it. So let's press here on download. Let's press save. And here you can use any format that you want. For us, we're gonna use JSON, Lottie JSON. You can here also do some changes to it or change the color or so, but we're gonna use it as it is. So I'm gonna press here download, and now animation is downloaded. After downloaded, let's just drag and drop it to our VS Code. So here inside our assets, I'm gonna drag and drop it to our assets like this, to our VS Code. Now here's our animation file. Let's rename it. Let's rename it to be bank card animation. Okay, now how to use this animation? We're gonna go to our payment screen, and inside this bank card box, we got here our bank card icon. Let's format our code. We're gonna replace this bank card item, this refer to this card, we're gonna replace it with animation. So let's comment this and let's run our metro. So npm start, press I to run it on iOS to see the changes. Now it got disappeared. Let's try to display the animation instead of it. How to display this animation? You're gonna go to documentations here of Lottie React Native. We just need here first to import our Lottie view. So let's copy it and paste it here. Then we're gonna use our component Lottie view. So we're gonna copy it, copy this part, and we're gonna paste it here. Here's our Lottie view. Let's comment this ref for now. And here the path of our animation. The path here is inside assets bank card animation.json. So let's right click and press on copy relative path. Let's put it here. And since we are in components folder, we need to go level up. So we want to go level up, then go to assets. So here instead of this src, we're gonna just add 2 dots like this. Now let's press save and see. Now here's our animation. It looks good, isn't it? Let's just remove this background and let's make the height and width smaller than this. For example, 200 and 200. Let's make it, for example, 150 like this. And so now you can download any animation and use it. You can just use from this website, Lottie files. So you can use any animations and add it to your React Native app. Now let's remove our animation and return our design like Figma with this bank card icon like Figma here.